Una ang gawas. Mani akong room. Room tour na ta guys. Pinakalit ba? So, dari nga side, right side, na ay sa amin. Na ay, dari din ako ibutang dapat ako luggage. Na ay mga kuwan dari. Hanger. Kuwan din siya. Cabinet kayo ni. Pagsuod mo kung ako abla na siya daan. Bantay cabinet eh. There is a right kay ang toilet. So mali ang sliding door. Shower diri og toilet niya na bathtub diha. There's a bathtub. Mani ang lavabo. Sink with water, mga towels, and body lotion. There's a mirror there. And here, this one is hair dryer. And my bag is there. There's a TV on the wall. Lubong siya. Pina-industrial siya design guys. Kanang gray. And this is a huge bed. As in dako kay siya. Di ko masigong daw kaunlan. And that's the sofa there. I have a table here. There's a coffee machine over here. Initan ng tubig. Duha day ka tubig. Sa amin na siya. And here should be coffee. Yeah, capsule siya ng coffee. Para batang dere. Sa amin na dere. The safe is here. Safe box. And this one. Ang fridge. What is your fridge guys? Naimalon nga tubig. And here, tea. Mga tea. Twinnings na tea. Green tea. May baso diha. And here, ice. So that's what's inside in this cabinet. And the view here, that is the Ginger Lake. Pero foggy siya guys. Ambot fog ba na o smog? Basta kay mao ni siya ang room. This is the Hotel Intercontinental in Suzhou. So if you're planning to stay here at the Hotel Intercontinental, this is what the room looks like. So many. Alright. Okay. So muna siya. Oy, kanina siya guys. Murag ma-open pa ni. You know? Oops. The door is for decoration only. So it cannot be opened. Decoration na daw guys. Muna siya. So this is just a quick room tour here at the Intercontinental Hotel in Suzhou, Ginger Lake.